Mobile X-ray table is an important part of the X-ray machine. The new HEEC X-ray table can be divided into several types to meet your different needs. In addition, the bed surface material of our mobile X-ray table can be customized. Bed surface material is divided into density board, plexiglass, and carbon fiber. Among them, the use of carbon fiber composite materials to make mobile X-ray table has many advantages such as high imaging quality, high intensity, strong fatigue resistance, lightweight, etc. The material itself has good X-ray transmission, which can effectively reduce the harm of radiation to patients. The bed board is made of carbon fiber with strong bearing capacity, less ray absorption, and easy maintenance. The bed panel is only 7.5 centimeters away from the film, reducing magnification and distortion and greatly improving image quality. The emergency brake button is used to lock all the movement of the bed and cut off the power to protect the safe operation of the equipment. Black box frame can be single-handed advance and pull out, suitable for 5x7 to 14x17. All kinds of standard black box and IP board can be flexible along the bed body. Longitudinal movement of a large range. The mobile X-ray table can support 200 kilograms. New HEEC mobile X-ray table can meet your different procurement needs.